What is going on, blockchain monkeys? Eagle here, like, thank you for coming to my jungle. First of all, I'm no financial advisor whatsoever, nor am I professional in blockchain technology. But there's one thing that I absolutely will do, and that's give my opinion. So today, we have got to talk about Fantom and Cronje Financial. What is happening here? Ladies and gentlemen, it's looking like Fantom is becoming a budding ecosystem. I mean, there's just so much in the pipeline. I've been seeing what they're doing with Hector DAO, and now what they're doing with Cronje Financial. And not to mention, I believe Andrew Cronje is building a DEX, and he's the guy behind Yearn. So what I'd like you to do is grab some shea butter, right? Rub your hands vigorously and slide down Twitter. Okay, so we're sitting on Cronje Financial's Twitter page. It says, believers, the Cronje team is proud to introduce NECT, the very first compounding token in the node service ecosystem. NECT benefits all Hive holders by allowing you to convert your claimable Cronje into NECT with no tax. See, this is what I mean about progressing and evolving in a project. If you're going to put a position in place where you don't have to incur any tax, I'm all for it. Also, we have officially deployed universal endpoints. This endpoint will load balance between all of your existing nodes and distribute your requests across all of your current endpoints, improving latency of the MM. Utilize all of your nodes with a single universal endpoint today. And then I also see here there's a CoinGecko listing. So ladies and gentlemen, what do you think about Cronje Financial? Have you done your research? Is it a good project? Leave your comments in the description below. And also, what the heck is going on? We have Hector DAO here. This is coming in from Crypto DJ Prestige. Hector Launch will be an incubator for upcoming projects on the Fantom Opera chain. Exclusive whitelist spaces to Hex stakers, access to the Hector community for developers. Hector Launch 2022, big things to look out. Wow. So we have here Fantom News. Fantom ranks 6th and Heck ranks 7th in the US and climbing. And then top trending tokens on Fantom ecosystem, Hector. And then I catch this here, Heck DAO. We're very proud to announce that from February onwards, Heck will be receiving the Fantom Foundation Incentives Grant from Fantom. We're so excited to continue working together to helping Fantom Chain to reach its full potential. And just like I always tell you, it's okay to be early. So I wanted to get into this article here because you know me, I had to dig just a little bit deeper to see what all the excitement was about. And I came across this. Fantom, a recent DeFi winner. Fantom boasts itself to be a fast, open source, and high-performance smart contract technology that can host multiple dApps and digital assets. Perhaps the real elegance and beauty of blockchain technology lies in the manner of which its smart contracts are implemented to develop more secure, reliable, and advanced dApps and financial solutions. Fantom deserves a mention in such discussion. It is also one of the many operational networks that is built to provide an alternative to the Ethereum network. With Fantom mainnet having gone live in December 2019, its network structure intends to give a steady balance of security, scalability, and decentralization to its users. Fantom's architecture consists of a BFT, a synchronous Byzantine fault tolerant, a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism that maintains its efficiency of all operations in the network and is designed to preserve the network security while also maximizing speed. Now, for those who may not know what Byzantine fault tolerance is, let's take a look at this real quick because it gives a great analogy. In its simplest form, a number of generals are attacking a fortress and must decide as a group only whether to attack or retreat. Some generals may prefer to attack, while others prefer to retreat. The important thing is that all generals agree a common decision. For a half-hearted attack by a few generals will become a rut and would be worse than either a coordinated attack or a coordinated retreat. The problem is complicated by the presence of treacherous generals who may not only cast a vote for a sub-optional strategy. For instance, if 9 generals are voting, 4 of whom support attacking, while 4 others are in favor of retreat, the 9th general may send a vote of retreat to those generals in favor of retreat, and a vote of attack to the rest. Now, those who received a retreat vote from the 9th general will retreat, while the rest will attack, which may not go well for the attackers. The problem is complicated, further by the generals being physically separated by having to send their votes via messengers who may fail to deliver votes or may forge false votes. But check this out, though. The architecture allows the Fantom network to work even if up to a third of its participants are compromised or acting maliciously. Nodes also perform their own consensus, and the final results are then compiled by the network. See, when you put this type of heat in front of the blockchain monkeys, you can't expect us not to eat. Now, before I let you go, ladies and gentlemen, let me hit you with this real quick. We have Andrew Cronje teases new decentralized exchanges on Fantom. The project will run on the Fantom blockchain, which will include an automated market maker and an emission-based token structure. Users will be able to deposit a lock-in-based token and in return receive incentive tokens as a reward. Andrew Cronje, the architect behind decentralized finance giant Yearn, has revealed some new features for his upcoming project on Fantom. In early January, he stated that he will be deploying a new experiment, including a new token on the Fantom blockchain. I got 5 words for you. It's okay to be early. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we will all see each other on the moon.
Cause it's the standard in this bitch. XRP. I went to YouTube University, and now they mocking me with no degree. We saying by the swift, keep it walking. Respect your elders in these bushes. Bitcoin is talking.